Hello, everyone. This is Yvonne Salas with Etiquette Excellence. Today, we're going to be discussing a topic that everyone asks me about, which is our napkin etiquette. What do I do with the napkin the moment that I reach the table? Well, napkins have only one use, and that is to dab our mouth. So we have to remember that there is nothing else that we need to do with that napkin. It is not for wiping our face. It is not for cleaning our nose. It is not for doing anything except dabbing our mouth to make sure that there is no food on our lips. And very importantly, it should be used in between our bites before we take a drink because we don't want the rim of our glasses to have food residue. So let's begin. As we approach the table, uh, it's very important for all of you that are out there in business meetings and business meals to remember that behavior at a restaurant follows certain rules. And this regarding the napkin is very important. That is, the moment you approach the table, you need to pick up your napkin and place it on your lap. You do not need to wait to see the menu or to order, much less to have the food delivered to you. You need to pick up your napkin the moment that you sit down in a restaurant. So, where do we find our napkins? Depending on the restaurant, you will find it in different locations. Our standard, more polished, and what you will find in formal settings is that it is placed to the left of your utensils, of your plates, to the left of your forks. But it could be found on top of your entree dish. It could be inside a wine glass with some kind of shape. But no matter where it's located, you should immediately that you sit down pick up the napkin. If it's to the left of your plate, I will just pick up my napkin. And something that is very important is that we do not open our napkins on top of the table. I'm going to show you the correct way of doing it on top of the table so you can see it. But the correct thing to do is to just take your napkin in whatever fold you find it. Let's say it's to the left of your plate. You pick it up and you put it on your lap. And it is on your lap that you're going to open it. But how do we open it? Well, I will show you. If it has a simple fold like this, or if it has a very fancy fold, it doesn't matter. You're going to place it on your lap, and once there, you're going to open it so that half of the napkin is folded. There is going to be a closed fold and an open fold. That open fold is the one that I want you to place towards you. So the open fold goes towards your body. What is the reason for that? The reason is that when you need to use it, you will be able to access the inside part of the napkin. And that is the side where you're going to wipe your mouth. What does that mean? It means that in the case of women, if we have lipstick, there's going to be a small stain. If there is food residue on your lips and the napkin gets dirty, it's going to be dirty on the inside. So when you replace it on your lap, it won't dirty your clothes because the dirt or whatever residue there is or stain, it's on the inside. And then at the end of your meal, when you place the napkin once again on the table, you won't be able to see any stains because the residues and the stains will be on the inside. That is the reason why I recommend that the open fold be always towards you. The napkin stays on our lap until the time we are going to leave the meal permanently. That means that there is no reason to place the napkin on the table during the meal. If at any time in a restaurant you need to get up to use the restroom or answer a call that you're expecting, you should leave the napkin with a soft fold placed on your chair seat. It does not go back on the table. It doesn't go back to the table until not only the meal is finished, but everyone, including your host or hostess, is ready to leave the table. So, the napkin is the first thing you pick up and put on your lap when you approach and sit down at a table. And it is the very last thing that you do before you leave the table permanently is to place it with, and once again, a soft fold and to the left of your plate. There is no need to try and imitate the original fold that you found or to fold it perfectly. A soft fold and being placed to the left of your place setting is the correct napkin etiquette. Hope this has been useful for you. We can be reached at etiquetaexcellence@hotmail or etiquetaexcellencemanners.com. Visit our webpage. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to our channel so that you can continue getting all the etiquette tips that we provide. We provide service in all of South Florida and virtually all over the world. So contact us for your etiquette needs. Once again, Yvonne Salas with Etiqueta Excellence Manners. Thank you for watching.